I'm in the process of installing this capacitor discharge multi-spark ignition system in my Morris Minor. This is the junior version of the MSD-6 that I've got in my Triumph TR6. This one's much less expensive and more suited to the purposes of the Morris Minor. I decided to mount it on the fender well, so I made up a template with the holes I hope properly spaced. Drilled 4 little 4mm holes through there, and I'm in the process of putting rubber vibration mounts on the bottom of the unit. Here's the unit with the shock mounts on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the car now. I finished the installation of the unit and bundled up all the wires and hooked up the ground terminal on the battery, and nothing caught on fire, so that's a good start. It's a nice installation if it works. Let's give it a spin and see if it lights up. This is pretty good. And it works. And again, no smoke, no flames. That's always a sign of a good project. It's a little cold right now. I didn't apply any choke, so it's kind of struggling to stay running here, but it'll smooth out as it warms up.